Hi everyone and welcome to today's card creation. Now I'm going to be experimenting with something new to me. Not only am I using the new collection from Catherine Pooler, the Spring Garden Collection, I'm using the dies and stamp set, and this is the Blessed Bundle stamp set. But what I am going to use it today in today's card creation is with my Gelli Plate. I know. So I'm slowly been playing with this, and I'm saying slowly as well as cautiously. I have got a lot to learn. I have played already with acrylic paints. I'm now playing with the Catherine Pooler inks. I'm still getting used to the dye inks and the texture that it gives, the results that it gives. So today was purely plain and simple playing with these. For the inks today, I've got Catching Rays, Orange Peel, and Do-Si-Do. I've started off with the pink on top, the yellow, then the orange. I have used a Brayer. Now, I do have a larger Brayer and a smaller Brayer as well, and I have found that in this case, size does matter. I think when it comes to dye inks, even though I've just sprayed with water because I wanted it to be moving, I think what I should have done, and this is a lesson learnt, is probably use more a watercolor cardstock base if I'm playing with more a dye ink. That's just my personal opinion, but I've stuck with the Catherine Pooler cardstock here. I'm going to add 2 layers of this ink. I am using the Brayer purely just to mix the ink so it transitions well into each color, and I really felt like that if I just kept it with the Brayer and no water, I probably would have achieved the result I'm after. I wanted a smoother transition, but I think I'll get that more with playing and experimenting. I'm going to have videos coming up where I'm using more pastes as well and alcohol inks. I'm really loving this particular format in playing with the Gelli prints, and I wasn't too fussed at the end with the result purely because I'm using a large cover die, and this Blessed cover die really worked well. That not that it hid the splotchiness of the end results, it wasn't the focus, and it didn't hinder the card and the overall result. So at the end of the day, there was lots of lessons learnt with playing with my Gelli prints. I've die cutted with white cardstock, stuck this over the top, and then I'll just trim this down. Today's card is very, very simple, but I wanted to show you how simple it can be. It doesn't have to be complex. I don't like complex crafting. If it gets too hard, I then tend to lose interest. It's my attention span. So with the Blessed die, I've die cut it 3 times. Then on the final layer, I've die cut a gold glitter cardstock. I could have made my own, and I could have heat embossed it, but I didn't. I just wanted to play and the opportunity to achieve a quick, simple card, plus trying a new technique out and the colors that I wanted to play with. So I hope this is just pretty much it. I die cut it to, you can tell it almost looks like it's really chipboardy. I love that result when it comes to layering die cuts. And I just stuck everything down. I could have embellished it more with embellishments, with sequins, but I was happy. I was happy with my card, and I chose to stop, and that is rare for me. So I hope you liked today's card tutorial. It's very, very quick. I've learnt some lessons, and I'm going to pretty much have tutorials based and keeping this in. I've created other cards as well, same format, but with acrylic paints, coming up on my blog, and then also on my Instagram I've made more cards with seamless blending as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's card tutorial, everyone. Thanks for watching. All the links to the products are in the description below, and I look forward to reading your lovely comments. Thanks everyone. Happy paper crafting. If you like today's tutorial, give it a thumbs up And don't forget to subscribe. I've got other tutorials here for you as well. Just click on the links on today's video. See you later.